A very good morning, grade 3. This is your next lecture of the same chapter, chapter number 14. Here, the chapter is measures of capacity and volume, or you can say volume. So, we are going to do practice exercise 14a. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 4 we already done. Now, we are going to solve question number 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. So, question number 5 is based on your word problem. So here we have one word problem. Name is Harmeet filled 9 liter petrol in his car. At the end of journey, 3 liter of petrol was left in the car. How much petrol was consumed? Here is a boy named Harmeet which filled up his car with 9 liter of petrol when he go for the journey, and when he come back from the journey, 3 liter petrol is already 3 liter petrol is left in the car. So we have to find out how much petrol is he consumed in his journey. So for this question, what we have to do? First of all, we have to write here filled petrol. How much petrol he filled? 9 liters. So we'll write 9L. You can say write L here, or you can write L on the top as well. And how much left? So we'll write left petrol. No need to write down the car here because we know that we are talking about the same question. So we'll write filled petrol, or you can say write filled petrol in the car, left petrol in the car, or you can say filled petrol, left petrol. So how much petrol is left in his car? 3 liter. So we write 3 here, and consumed. We write here consumed. What we have to do, we have to find out the difference between 9 and 3. 9 is the total number which he filled in his car, and 3 is left here. Where there is a name of left in the question, we have to understand that we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. So we have to subtract these two numbers. When we subtract 9 minus 3, how much number is left? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3 is gone. So we have total 6 left. So what we write? 6 liter petrol was consumed. This is the total answer which we have to do it. Filled petrol 9 liter, left petrol 3 liter, consumed petrol total is 6. So 6 liter petrol was consumed. Now we are going to solve question number 6 as well. Now question number 6 is Ram has a buffalo and a cow. There is a boy named Ram having buffalo and a cow. The buffalo gives 8 liter milk and a cow gives 5 liter. How much milk does Ram get from both the animals? Here we have one buffalo and one cow. Buffalo gives 8 liter milk and cow gives 5 liter milk. Now we have to find out the total number of milk in a liter Ram gets every day, or in a day or whatever it is, from both the animals. So what we have to do? First of all, we write down buffalo gives milk is equals to how much milk a buffalo gives? 8 liters. So we'll write N on the top. Here we write 8. And here we write cow gives milk is equals to how much? 5 liters. So we'll write 5 here. Now what we have to do? We have to solve it. Here he is asking about both the animals. So he is asking for the total number of answer. So Ram get from. So we'll write here Ram get from both. That much is enough, or you can say write in the whole one. Ram get from both the animal. We'll write it downside as well. So 8 plus 5. Here we are going to add these numbers in a short way. 8 plus 2 becomes 10. 10 plus 3. How much it is? 13. How it becomes? When we add 8 and we split the number 5. So 8 plus 2 becomes 10. In 5, when we take out 2, 3 is left. So 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. So by this way also we can get the answer in a quick way. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3 becomes 13. So here we write 13-liter milk Ram get from both the animals. Okay, 13-liter milk Ram get from both the animals. So this is the easiest way to solve the questions. I hope you all understand. We are going to solve next two questions as well. Question number 7. We are going to solve it. Here we are going to solve question number 7 and 8, both the questions. So question number 7 is a 10-liter bucket contains 8 liters of water. There is a bucket which capacity is 10 liter, and here we contain 8 liter water in the bucket. How much more water can be poured into it? उसमें हम और कितना पानी add on कर सकते हैं? So we'll have to find out the another number. So here we write bucket capacity. How much is capacity of a bucket? 10 liter. And it contains how much? 8. So water can be poured. Water can be poured is equals to. So what we have to find out and what we have to do in this question, 10 is the whole capacity and 9 it contains. So हम और कितना भर सकते हैं? So we have to subtract these two numbers. So we can't subtract 8 out of 0. So we'll give one carry to this and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 we call, what we call? It becomes 2. 2 left here. So 8 plus 2, 10. So what we have to write here, our language should be 2 liter water can be poured into it. This is the language which we use for this question. Bucket capacity 10 liter. It contains 8 liter. Water can be poured 2 liter. So 2 liter water can be poured into it. Question number 8. A drum contained 105 liter of oil. There is a drum which contains 105 liter of oil. During the day, in a whole day, 72 liter was sold. And 1 liter of oil is spilled over. Spilled मतलब फैल गया. How much oil was left in the drum? So we have to find out how much oil we have left over. So what we have to do? Drum contains how much? We'll write L on the top is equals to 105 and 72 liter is oil used during a day. sold oil is equals to how much? 72. And 1 liter oil spilled. So spilled over is equals to 1. So we have to subtract it total. So 5 minus 2, how much? It becomes 3. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. Here we write total number, हम इसको कर लेते हैं, it becomes 3. So 3, 5 में से 3 minus हुए तो becomes 2. 2 is left here and we can't subtract 7 out of 0. So we'll give carry from the 100 ones. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 7 becomes left, 3. 10 minus 7 left over 3. So 32 liter. So the language should be like this. I don't have space here, but I will write it here. 32 liter oil was left in the drum. What we have to do? Drum contains 105 liter, sold oil 72 liter and spilled over 1. So here what we have to do, first of all we add these two numbers. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Now this 3 number we have to subtract 5. 3 we are going to subtract. So it becomes 2. So we'll write 2 here and 10 minus 7 becomes 3. So 32 liter oil was left in the drum. This is the equation and you can say the word problem. You have to solve it in your copy, students. I hope you all understand these questions. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye everyone.